Ja, cilj te današnje konference je, da pravzaprav pokažemo na to, kako kolesarjenje v mestih rešuje probleme z mobilnostjo.
Cycling simply can make cities attractive places to be. It can make inner towns a nicer place. It is good for the health of cyclists and for the society. So I think there are lots of benefits to cycling.
That cycling is one of the very good solutions for urban mobility in cities.
Je manj avtomobilov, je manj težav s parkiranjem, je manj težav z prometno gnečo.
The Mobile 2020 project is a European-wide project where we want to support cycling, where we want to tell municipalities how to do better cycling planning and how to get all important partners together when it comes to cycling planning.
One of the goals is expertise building and to spread among the different partners in the Central and Eastern European countries expertise about cycling. But on the other hand, a conference like this is also to talk and to interchange knowledge, but also experiences from your own city with other countries and other cities.
We invited participants from 11 or 12 Central Eastern European countries to come to Ljubljana and to exchange on good cycling planning, what can be done to foster better cycling, not only in terms of infrastructure, but also in terms of services, of urban planning.
Največji izziv seveda je narediti miselni preskok v glavi. In to je recimo sprememba teh predstav o tem, kako lahko kam pridem in kaj je najbolj primeren način, da nekam pridem, je prvi in največji izziv.
I think the biggest challenge is still political support because cycling is often not considered as being a hot topic, and it's easier to cut a red ribbon for a nice road than for a cycling path. So I think it would be nice if more politicians would acknowledge the value that cycling has for society and also that cycling has for their towns, because it makes a town livable.
Če se kaj naredi za kolesarjenje, to pomeni, da se ni naredilo samo za kolesarje, ampak da se s tem izboljša tudi splošno problem mobilnosti v mestih.
The actors and the participants in Mobile 2020 are for an enormous challenge themselves to change the situation in the cities.
I think it's becoming a topic that is moving a bit more into the middle of the society rather than just being something that is only done by activists.